Application of all PowerBatt products is easy, and if the application procedure is followed thoroughly, it brings results in the form of significant protection of investment into lead-acid batteries. After uncovering of battery cells, the control measure of electrolyte density is performed. Optimal density is 1.28 gram per cubic centimeter. PowerBatt agent is gradually applied to individual cells of traction battery in optimal quantity 60 ml per 100 ampere-hours. For example, when we have a traction battery of voltage of 48 volts and capacity of 500 ampere-hours, it takes 3 deciliters of PowerBatt prevents to be applied into each cell, which is 7.2 liters of PowerBatt prevent in total. After application of PowerBatt, a chemical reaction occurs turning crystallic sulfate into soft powder. Improvements in active substance of battery are obvious from repeated measurements. Immediate result of this is significant increase in battery capacity, which is visible in chart. Long-term change in capacity is measured by repeated charging and discharging. The chart shows a gradual increase of capacity and its following stabilization after the first capacity growing cycles. When the chemical reaction is completed, the battery is charged by standard charger. There is no need to purchase special charging equipment. It is appropriate to put the battery back into operation. The simple procedure can double the battery lifespan and increases its capacity up to level of its nominal capacity. The procedure is repeated in the certain time intervals, usually once a year. Results achieved by application of PowerBatt. Increases battery's capacity up to 100% and more with long-term effect. Doubles the lifespan of battery. Significantly increases efficiency, operability, and reliability of batteries. Decreases consumption of energy and CO2 emissions.